I'm Jim Postel. I purchased this garage from Allen's Factory Outlet in August of 2022. It took about 6 weeks for them to get everything together. The order process was totally super simple, and everything was set up properly. And they got out here on the 10th of September of 2022, and it took them about 3 days to build this structure, which they did a fantastic job. I found Allen's Factory Outlet by surfing on the web. There was a bunch of metal building companies out there, even in the state of Texas, Viking, Steel Structures, and Allen's Factory. Their website was the easiest to deal with. You could actually pick your garage, you could design it, you could see it in 3D, rotate around it, pick your colors. Probably that's the easiest part of it and made me go with them, plus their pricing was the best. Allen's Factory Communication Services, reaching out to the customer. They were always contacting me, sending me emails, letting me know, giving me status. If there was anything at all, they had a phone number. That thing rang twice. Somebody was answering the other end. There was no automated robot or leaving a voicemail or anything. Somebody was always there answering that phone. I purchased this for $25,000. Again, best price on the market against all the other steel company manufacturers. For this size structure, you can't go wrong with Allen's Factory. I needed more storage space for my ride mowers for my side business, and I'm also going to put a pontoon boat in here and probably create an additional workshop or workout room in this structure. Yeah, the problem that this solved for me really was I've got a 3-car garage in my house already. I've already got one vehicle and my big truck. I'm putting storage shelves and everything else just kind of makes it cramped in that 3-car garage. So by having this, it frees up the actual garage in the house, the structure itself. I would just say the size of it, the electrician company that came in, the UFO lights, the flooring, the insulation on this thing is awesome. That's R18 on there on the sides. If anybody's thinking about getting an Allen's Factory, definitely go with the insulation, do the right thing and get that. That's critical. So I've had another steel garage before from another company. It was a DIY big box store kind of garage, and it didn't last. It started rusting and the doors were just compromised, and I ended up having to scrap it and having some company take it out for scrap metal. Everybody loves it. They can't wait till they see what I finish with it, what I'm doing with it. Building the workshop, putting HVAC on it, everything else. You could probably put a portable toilet in it if you wanted to. You could probably live in it if you wanted to, if you got kicked out of the house or got put in a doghouse by the wife, so it's perfect. I'd absolutely recommend Allen's Factory to anybody who's thinking about getting more space. You don't have to get a big one like this. You can get any size design you want or need for your purposes. Allen's Factory site. Get your thing designed, talk to them. They'll work with you and give you the best price on the market.